Are you searching for best trickle charger for car battery? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best trickle charger for car battery in 2024. Number 1. SinoTrack Quick Carb Battery Charger Intelligent Trickle Maintainer. Description: portable and wide application. This battery charger is small in size, easy to store and carry. The charger is designed to charge your 12V/24V lead-acid batteries from 6-200 Ah, 12V, 6-100 Ah, 24V. They may help restore drained and sulfate batteries, including calcium, AGM, gel, SLA, wet and more batteries. Note: support 14.6V/29.4V lithium battery charging. Compatible with all types of vehicles: car, truck, motorcycle, lawn mower, boat, RV, SUV, ATV and more. Multiple protection: built-in circuit protection guards against reverse polarity, sparks, overcharging, overcurrent, open circuits, short circuits and overheating. 12V 12A, 24V 6A. This charger is designed for 12V and 24V batteries. Wide voltage support: 110-265V input current. Automatically adjust the charging current. Easy to deal with a variety of harsh voltage environments. Battery maintainer car battery charger, also battery maintenance device. Pulse repair function can help to repair your lost battery and extend battery life. Note: it cannot activate a dead battery or repair a battery which is damaged seriously. It also cannot repair a battery back to 100% new. Number 2. EAFC ECcarb Battery Charger Trickle Smart Pulse Repair. Features: 100% new, high quality. This battery charger uses a micro MCU controller to manage the battery charging process, with online battery detection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, reverse connection protection and other functions. The smart charging indicator directly displays the charging process, making it easy for users to manage battery current. Dual digital LED display, high power rechargeable. Automatic smart car battery charging 12/24V. Number 3. New car battery charger Trickle Smart Pulse Repair 2024. Product description: multi-function charger, 12V/24V lead-acid battery charger, automatic intelligent battery charger, suitable for GL, SLA, wet charger, non-rechargeable lithium battery. Stop when full, connect the battery and plug it in. The power can be charged automatically without adjustment. The CPU's precise control plus multiple protections can automatically stop at full power, so you can rest assured. Multiple protection functions: over temperature protection, over current protection, overcharge protection, reverse connection protection, short circuit protection, voltage stabilization protection and multiple intelligent protection. Advantages: the LED displays the charging status and the voltage is clear. It is suitable for charging 12V batteries. It is suitable for use in cold weather and low voltage. It is also very suitable when the car is parked for a long time without electricity or the battery is aging. Wide range of applications: charging fully depleted 12V/24V sealed lead-acid batteries for maintenance, including lawn mowers, boats, cars, electric vehicles, power tools, ride-on toys. Number 4. LifePO4 Battery Trickle Smart Charger. Features: AC input, 110V AC, 260V AC, 47 to 63 Hz, output power 240W, DC output voltage 29.2V 10A, LED indicator, light logo, red and green, double color instructions, red charging, green finished or standby, efficiency greater than 85%, MTBF, 30,000 hours. Main export markets: Asia/Eastern Europe /Mideast/Africa/Australasia/North America/Central/South America/Western Europe. Protect characteristic: short circuit protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, reverse polarity protection, over temperature protection. Number 5. FOXSUR LiFePO 4 Battery Charger, 10 amp Trickle Charger. FOXSUR LiFePO 4 Battery Charger, 10 amp Trickle Charger 12V/24V Multifunctional Battery Charger for AGM Gel Wet Lead Acid Battery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.